Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Debbie Sylvia TV. If you are new here or you are just coming across my video for the first time, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first person to notify. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys a surprise gift for me. Guys, I've got a surprise gift. This is my surprise gift. Wow. Sewing machine. Guys, let's unbox it together. Let's unbox it together, guys. This is beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Very, very beautiful. Let's unbox it together. What's this? Wow, this is the cover. Okay, this is the cover of the sewing machine. Wow. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gosh. This is so beautiful, man. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. Nice. Electric machine. Wow. This is nice, man. Oh my god. Ah. Wow. Very, very beautiful. Look at the surprise gifts. Oh my god. This is a surprise gift. Very beautiful. I don't know how to sew, but through this, I will know how to sew. Wow. I'm going to learn it. How to sew. Oh my god, though. This is beautiful. Ash, mamma mia. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What is this side? Wow. Yeah, I don't understand all those material. I don't understand it, guys. I don't understand it. But later, I will know how to. I will understand it later. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wow. Anyway, how am I going to place it, guys? Oh my god. Wow, this is beautiful. Ah, yeah. Very, very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.